When starting out with WordPress, it's common for beginners to be confused between the WordPress.org and the WordPress.com websites. This is understandable as the domains are so similar, and also both are about creating WordPress websites. So what exactly is the difference? Well, let's begin with WordPress.org. This is the official home site for the popular open source WordPress software. Open source means anybody can use it or contribute to it, free of charge. You can see across the top navigation, this website also has the themes and plugins which are available to download. If you head over to the support, you'll find there's documentation available to help you build WordPress websites. And this includes pretty much everything you need, from installing WordPress right through to creating your own plugins and themes. From this website, you can download WordPress, customize it in any way that you want, including adding any themes, plugins, and templates, and build your own website using this software. We also have full access to all of the WordPress files and folders for complete flexibility when developing. All we need to do is click on the download button to get started. This is also referred to as self-hosted, meaning once your site is finished, you will need to buy the web hosting and also a domain name to publish online. However, hosting costs can be relatively cheap when starting out. So this leaves us with WordPress.com. WordPress.com is basically a hosting solution which allows us to build WordPress websites. It uses the same WordPress software as we can download at WordPress.org, but takes away any of the setup, leaving us just to build a website in just a few clicks. This site was created by one of the WordPress founders, but there are quite a few restrictions and limitations when using it, especially on the free or the cheaper plans, such as not allowing you to install your own themes or plugins. Instead, you'll need to use the theme templates and plugins provided. So let's head over to the pricing plans, take a look at the options in a little bit more detail. So we can see on the left hand side we have a free plan. The free plan is great if you were just starting out with a simple website or a blog. There are lots of themes to choose from and you can make some basic design changes. However, you cannot use your own domain name, and there are some WordPress.org ads placed on your site, which you can see here. So we're hosted on a WordPress.com subdomain. Jetpack is a popular plugin which is included in all the plans by default. And here you can also see there's 3 GB of storage to store things such as your images and videos. The rest of the options are chargeable from the personal plan onwards. The personal plan is ideal if you want your own custom domain name, and also as you can see there's more storage space and the WordPress.com ads are also removed. Moving on to the next option, which is premium, we can also see we've got more storage and you can also add monetization to your site, as well as support for WordPress, along with some more options for the customizations and also the themes. The business option is a little bit more expensive, but it does include all options from before. But one of the big benefits of this is you can use third-party plugins and themes. This allows us to choose any plugin or theme, either from the WordPress.org website or any premium paid themes from any other providers. Also, we can integrate this with Google Analytics and also remove the WordPress.com branding. So these are the options for WordPress.com. So WordPress.org is the one to go for if you want full control over developing and customizing your WordPress site. However, if you want all the setup and hosting, along with any of the updates taken care of for you, it's worth considering WordPress.com. We will be using WordPress.org for this course, as it is the official WordPress software, which will allow us to have full control over everything we need to develop websites throughout this course. So hopefully this now gives you a better understanding of the differences between WordPress.org and WordPress.com.